If you're pregnant or deal with back pain while cleaning, this might actually save you. This electric spin scrubber was gifted to me by the brand for review, but my husband and I both tested it out ourselves around the house, and this is accurate information from us. And honestly, being super pregnant right now, this has been one of those products that actually made cleaning physically easier for me. The biggest thing is its extendable handle. You can make it really long, so I didn't have to constantly bend over to scrub tub floors. It made cleaning way faster and less exhausting for me. It also comes with 6 different brush heads, so you can switch between surfaces really quickly. I use different ones for the shower, tile, and the other tougher spots to get in the house. There are 2 speed settings, which I liked because you can use gentle mode for lighter cleaning or stronger mode when something actually needs a deep clean scrubbing. One thing I do want to mention though is there is a little bit of a learning curve. If you press down too hard, the scrubber will stop spinning or shut off. So instead of forcing it, you kind of let the brush do the work. You don't want to do too much elbow grease. Once you figure that out though, it is a breeze. It's cordless, rechargeable with USB-C, waterproof, and the battery life has been really great so far. If you hate scrubbing showers or tubs by hand, especially if bending over is a struggle, this is definitely one of those tools that makes cleaning easier on your body.